Jersey outlet shopping. Of course, I got us lost. We went to the wrong mall. Ended up at a rich mall, and now we're at the poor one.
At the poor one? What's this store called anyway? Coho's or something. I don't know. We're in here and we're looking at pocketbooks. And they have a whole lot of stuff in here. It's like a Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Burlington, kind of all mashed together, which is my jam. We'll see what we can find. And then we gotta get something to eat too. I'm hungry.
Yeah, oh my.
We done went right up in the Five Below. Daddy shopping.
Well, we did our shopping. Now we're getting a tree.
We're trying to kill two birds with one stone. I had to stop vlogging, y'all, because that mall was crazy. Like, it was just too many people, so I couldn't even whip out the camera as much as I could. So, yeah. So now we're here. We're going to be looking at some trees and stuff. And then we going home, because we're done for the night. And then tomorrow we're probably going to clean and decorate a whole bunch. Look at some of these trees, and hopefully we can find one that looks decent. They're pretty full out here, so hopefully we can find one really quick.
They're pretty high, too.
Hey y'all, so today I'm actually going to tackle this hair. Last night I did get my nails done finally, my toes and my nails done. I'm tired of looking like a roach, so we're going to do some self-care this morning early before I start work. I'm going to probably let this hot oil treatment sit in my hair. Well, I'll probably have it sit until lunchtime, honestly, because I really need it, because my scalp, I don't know if you guys can really tell. I'm trying to grow. I don't know if this is like a bad bald spot. This was actually worse. I had a really bad hair fallout back with COVID, and I don't think my hair has been the same since. I had COVID I had it January 2021. My hair has not been the same. I wanted to do a video on that, but I'll just post like different clips. Like my hair was like coming out in clumps. It was so bad. And I honestly thought it was my hormones. Like it was just so bad. So I've been on like a healthy hair journey, and you know, my scalp has been super dry. This winter has been tearing me up. Like it's just been a mess. Anyway, so I just been itching, and now I finally was like, you know, let me just get up early and give myself a hot oil treatment before I actually do work. And while I sit and work, it could just sit and marinate and do all the things and all that stuff. So I had this Botana oil I got from Amazon, nothing too serious. But I realized that this isn't the real one because it doesn't, like, you know, it's not clear. I think this is clear. I don't even know. I can't even see from the bottle. But if yeah, it's not like gold. It's not the right type of Botana oil, but I'm gonna still use it because shit, I'm at the end. So we're gonna just add this to my scalp, and I'm gonna just let it sit while I'm working. I have 2 plastic baggies here too. So, and I finally found my mount for this camera. Oh my God, y'all. I could not find a mount for my camera at all. And it wasn't until I cleaned the studio. And that's my problem. I have to look for stuff actually before I actually try to buy it again, because I bought a cage for my one camera just in case like I need to put like any additional accessories for when I film and stuff. Oof, I'm really itchy, like right up in here. Like this part of my head is always the itchiest. Like the whole front section of my hair, I don't know what that is, but my back of my head never really itches. It's mostly like the top and the sides of my hair. I look crazy, but, and the thing I hate about oil, I hate when my normal hair feels oily. Because I have a lot of hair, I just have really fine strands, and I hate it when my hair feels weighed down. I never was a fan of like grease or anything like that, so I extremely hated that. Especially when I was like back in the day, like hairstyling and stuff, I always use very light oils on my clients, and I'll just add more as needed. Like I just hate feeling like there's something in my hair, there's something on my skin. Like I just hated that feeling. It made me feel crazy. On my hair, on my ends and my hair, length of my hair, give that some moisture too. And I'm just gonna put it back in a bun, and we're gonna put it back. Thank God I'm home, because I can always look crazy when I'm home. This is usually how it goes with me when I'm doing self-care stuff. I'm really trying to focus on the edges, and I'm really not pulling my hair tight, y'all. It's just I have a lot of oil in my hair right now. Like, if you know me, you know. So I'm gonna try to use the rest of this up. Whoops, oh my gosh. I'm trying not to get it on my outfit in case I do gotta go somewhere later after I get my hair washed. Minimal hair shed though. Just put it in a really loose bun like that. Oh, where's that clip? I'm gonna clip it. I really look crazy, but this is how my self-care days go. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this marinate, and I'll probably come back when my hair is clean. And yeah, so this is the oil for anybody who's interested that I use in my hair today. I'm probably gonna order another one because I don't know if that's like the real deal stuff, because they say botana oil is really good. It's supposed to be really good for you. We'll see. So I'll call y'all back. I was getting ready to clean up, y'all. Y'all need to come get this cat. Like, she is so crazy.